Good morning student. Welcome to the maths class. In this video, we are going to study the lesson number 1, Spatial Understanding. Let's start the lesson. Hello my dear student. Welcome to maths class. In this video, we are going to study the lesson number 1, Spatial Understanding. After studying this unit, you can use the vocabulary of spatial relationship such as top and bottom, on and under, inside and outside, above and below, near and far, before and after. Children, our first topic is top and bottom. Anant is painting at the top of the building. Anant is painting at the top of the building. See the picture, children. You can see that a man is painting. He is Anant. And he is painting at the top of the building. So, where is he painting, children? He is painting at the top of the building. So now let's see the another picture here. Bird is sitting on the top of the tree. Where is the bird sitting? Bird is sitting on the top of the tree. The bird is sitting on the top of the tree. Okay, so I hope you understood what is top, children. You can see a monkey. Monkey is sitting at the top of the pillar. Monkey is sitting at the top of the pillar. Where is the monkey sitting, children? Monkey is sitting at the top of the pillar. Here you can see the pillar. Monkey is sitting top of the pillar. Okay. Here you can see a pot. Yes. So the fire is touching at the bottom of the pot. So what is this? This is the top of the pot. And what is this? This is the bottom. This is the bottom of the pot. So, fire is touching at the bottom of the pot. Where is the milk, children? Milk is at the bottom of the glass. Okay. Our next topic is on and under. Here you can see the picture. There is a table and on the table there is a TV. Television is on the table. Where is the television? Television is on the table. Television is on the table. Now, so here you can see the floor. Okay. So, you can see a mat. And where is the mat, children? Mat is on the floor. There is a wall. The photograph is on the wall. So, the photograph is on the wall. Now, inside and outside. Here you can see the picture. Fruits are inside the basket. Fruits are inside the basket. Where are the fruits, children? Fruits are inside the basket. Where are leaves? Leaves are outside the basket. Leaves are outside the basket. Now let's see next picture. Mother and father are there in this picture. Okay. So mother is inside the house. Where is the father? Father is outside the house. Father is. The next topic is above and below. Eyes are below the eyebrows. So these are eyebrows, children. So where are the eyes? Eyes are below the eyebrows. Mouth is below the nose. So this is nose, children. So where is the mouth? This is the mouth, and the mouth is below the nose. Nose is above the mouth. Where is the nose? Nose is above the mouth. Eyebrows are above the eyes. These eyebrows are above the eyes. Okay. Now let's see this picture. Lamp is above the table. Here you can see the lamp. This lamp is above the table. Table is below the lamp. This table is below the lamp. So what is above here? The lamp is above. What is below? Next topic, children, near and far. So let's read it. Mother is near the child. Mother is near the child. Moon is far away from the child. Who is the near the child? The mother is near the child. The moon is far away from the child. So here Ravi is standing near the swing. Ravi is standing near the swing. Mary is standing far from the swing. Mary is standing far from the swing. So Ravi is standing near the swing and Mary is standing far from the swing. Okay. Bird is near the tree. This bird is near the tree. Sheep is far from the tree. The sheep is far from the tree. Sheep is near the pond. Sheep is near the pond. And bird is far from the pond. Okay. Bird is far from the pond. So, I hope you understood, children. The next topic is before and after. So here you can see the two candles. This is the candle before lighting. This is the candle before lighting. And this is the candle after lighting. Okay. Before lighting it was like this, and after lighting it became like this. Okay. Flower pot before lighting. So this is the flower pot before lighting. This is how the flower pot after lighting. Flower pot after lighting. Okay. Now wash the mango before eating. See children, this is very important. Whenever we are eating fruits or vegetables raw, we need to wash them. Wash the mango before eating. Wash the mango before eating. Eat the mango after washing. Eat the mango after washing. Okay. So children, I hope all of you understood the first lesson, spatial understanding.